Yeah.
Ladies, so I'm back with another hair tutorial today. Today we are going to be doing this blonde Organique hair. Actually, y'all, it's blonde organic hair. It is a 18, 20, and 22, a 5-inch deep part closure, and it's 270 grams. It's yaki straight, but it's just a little wig that I'm wanting to do so I could just have to put on here and there. Let's see if y'all can see it. The light is just lighting. That's just the two bundles. I already took out the closure. Yeah, this is what the closure look like. The closure looks like this. Yes, bitch. And then here's one of the bundles. Y'all, this is like, I'm kind of like nervous because I don't even really do blonde, but y'all know I'm about to put that shit on. But yeah, I'm about to try blonde this time, you know, about to be on fleek. Okay. But this is gonna be a glue wig. The glue that I'm using is a Super Bond Proclaim Professional Care Glue, and it looked like this. You can get this from Sally's. Sorry that my head is cut off, but I just want you guys to be able to see everything that I am doing. All right, y'all. And I don't look the best because, y'all, I just got off of work and I wanted to get this little tutorial in, but which one the longest? Which one the longest? Is this one the longest? Shit. Yeah. We are just gonna start with the longest bundle, and the one that I showed you guys is the longest bundle, so I'm just gonna go ahead and unravel it. I really like this organic hair, honestly. Like, this organic hair be pulling through for a little bitch. Yes. Facts, though. And I am just going to go ahead and tighten this shit up. What we're gonna do first is, I'm gonna turn this way so y'all can see a little bit better. I'm gonna actually do it backwards so y'all can actually see very good. Measure like this and then we're gonna go to the other side and we're gonna cut. And I'm gonna probably do most of these like pretty close together just because of the fact that it is blonde hair. I'm gonna try to. If not, if I gotta space it, then I'm gonna just space it, but if not, then I'm not. But anyways, this is what I'm doing, y'all. I'm gonna take the glue and I am going to place it on the track. It's blonde hair, so make sure that you try to not to get the glue all over the place because, yeah, just try not to. And I'm gonna take one and press it like this and go to the other side and bring it over. Want it to be even, so make sure that you're like man, I hope this works fine. I gotta get my blow dryer out because I'm feeling like, yeah, that's the first track and that's just laid on there like sure. And I am going to measure it out again, go up a little bit further and do the second track. Make sure you're going from ear to ear so that your hair lays right. I've been making wigs, y'all, since I was like 15, so I ain't new to this. So glad y'all could barely see my head, cause ooh, this motherfucker head is through, literally through, like through the motherfucking roof through. Like, yo, bitch, you need to get your hair done through. That's why I'm doing my hair right now, shit. Facts though. Gray glue on blonde hair. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna glue this on the front. What I'm doing is, let me turn this around. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna glue this right to the front, but I'm gonna make sure that it's a little bit off of the cap. Just a tad bit, y'all, just a tad bit. And y'all see, y'all can see, okay. And I'm gonna take the glue and I'm just going to put glue all around here besides the middle part. Everywhere besides the middle part. You do not want that shit to show. Right there. Period. Put it on there like so. Press the shit on there. Make sure that it stays on there though. You don't want it to be looking all weird. And you want it to be flat, so I might even tie it down just to be safe. I want no relation, mama, we can't be laid up, no. I'm from Golden Acres, now I'm saying no later, hey. I want no relation, no. Alright, y'all, so I got all the way to the top, and I'm just gonna show you guys how to close this off. Sure. Let's continue. Cut that. We're just continuing. This hair is so stringy, y'all, like stringy as fuck. This is why I normally do human like hair, but I wanted to try something a little different, but whatever, we'll make it work. Like your it's always making noises. I think that I don't need to be told. Period. Period, poo. And I'm gonna just put this at the back so that fills that little space. Like so. You'll see, you'll see, you'll see. Alright. Go back in with the black track and measure it. Measure it. All the way to here. That was around the closure. So that excess stuff wasn't on there, so it didn't look weird. shit is so stringy. It's kind of bothering me. Alright, y'all, so to close it off, we just gonna put the last track over the little lace that didn't get cut off, and it's going to look like this. Let me see if I can get a little closer. Like that. Bit of my Rust Being Sexy with argan oil serum on it. This is like one of my favorite serums. Just because it's like not as frizzy. This wig is gonna be so pretty. So pretty. We can have that. But let me just take this off the cap. And okay, y'all, so this is what the wig looks like. And what we are going to do is we are going to cut underneath. So we're going to go underneath the cap and we are going to cut this part out. Be careful though, y'all. Don't go too fast with it. You don't want to cut the lace. There. We're just cutting that out so that you can see the middle part. And then I'm going to cut off that excess so it lays flat. No weird shit. And then I don't like this little excess hair hanging out, so I'm just gonna trim that shit. And then there's still more, so I'm gonna go like this, y'all. Cut that shit off, because that's not cute. Is there any over here? No. Shit all in my brush. Alright, y'all, and there we have our wiggy. Our wigga. Alright, y'all, and this is, let me put a little bit more serum on it. I should put some of the flat iron over it. But this is the final product to the wig. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in another video. Stay tuned for part 2 because I'll have it on in part 2.